Okay, so let's talk about the SFlow gun. SFlow gun arrive on a box like that, a carton box. The part number of the gun you have ordered is written here, and the description of the gun is here in French and English. So let's have a look on what is inside the box. Inside the box, you received a CD with all the information regarding the gun. You receive an important information here, and inside you have the SFlow gun, which is on the box like that. Inside the box you also have a head, a flat head in this case. You have a filter and a goupillon to remove parts on the gun. Okay, so let's dismantle the gun. We remove the plug which are here and this one. Then we will use this tool which is here to reach the filter. So I use this tool to open the fitting. Okay, I use the tool to tighten the filter, and I can move it down to reposition my tool in the good position. Once you have dismantled this part, you can install the filter. One is delivered on the box, and you have a choice of several others. Not only this one, you can have others. So you take the gun, you take the filter, and you install the filter inside the gun. Then you can re-plug, re-screw this part. I use this to tighten stronger. After having worked several hours, it can happen that you need to change the filter. So you have to do the motion in the opposite. You dismantle it here. And what is really interesting, this is a patented system. You can use this tool to dismantle the filter, because today it's easy to disassemble, but in fact on the field this field can be completely full of paint and it's not so easy to remove from the gun. And you change the filter. Okay, so now I will use the tool to dismantle the trigger. So I take the tool, I install it here. Okay, I tighten with my hand, I rotate, and then I take a screwdriver and I can dismantle my trigger easily because the other hand is tightening the part. Okay. With the SFlow gun, you have the choice between three kinds of tip. You have the flat base, where you can assemble flat tips or skill tips. And you have the reverse tip guard, where you can install tip-top tip, reversible tip. And you have a choice of different tip size regarding our selection. Here we are going to show you the tricks to assemble the seat inside the tip guard. So you take the seat, you use the tip as a tool, you assemble both like that. Then you can take the tip guard and you insert the seat inside the tip guard. And you make this motion to make sure that the seat stays inside the tip guard. To remove the seat from the tip guard, I can use the same tool. I remove my tip, You see that the seat is inside. I use this part to extract the seat. Okay, the tricks to reassemble both and tighten correctly the head. You assemble the head on the gun. Okay, and to tighten stronger, you rotate the tip like that, and you place your finger like that, and then you can rotate stronger.